Russian piping tips. They're fat, they're weird looking, and when used correctly, they yield super cool results. I'm testing them out coming up. So if you've looked up any sort of baking video in the last year, then you've probably come across these Russian piping tips. They're mostly being used to decorate cakes and cupcakes. Being the Pinterest and YouTube addict that I am, I've been wanting to buy some of these for a while now, and I finally bit the bullet and ordered a set of 12. I just bought these off of Amazon. They came in 2 days, and I will link to the ones that I have down below. I'm not so much interested in using these for cake decorating. I'm more interested to see if I can use them in high-end plating applications. Just as a side note, I don't have anything against cupcakes. Chefs seem to have some sort of like vendetta against cupcakes. It's like, it's a small cake, just everybody relax. One of the ways that I'm planning on using these is for Valentine's Day. I'm looking to make a microwave beat sponge, and I'm hoping to use one of these to pipe some cream cheese icing onto the plate. But of course, before I go planning out how I'm gonna use these, I need to test them out. So today I'm gonna be testing them out and showing you how each one looks. For this test, I'm just using standard American buttercream because I imagine that that's what most of you who are watching this video are going to be using. So let's do this thing. Some things that I noticed while using these is that they do take a bit of practice to get the hang of. Try experimenting with different pressures and heights to see which techniques yield the best results. I found the tips with the distinct flower shapes to be my favorite, and like the multiple star tips the least. If you like this video and you want to see more content like this, make sure you hit the red subscribe button down below or this little circle picture right here. We'll see you guys next time.